my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So my chat partners, today's video is going to be a meal prep video. I am going to meal prep breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And guys, these are some simple meal ideas that you can try at home. So let's get started with this meal prep. I already have my oven preheating at 375. First things first, I have my colander so I can rinse my vegetables off. A cutting board. I have all the spices that I plan on using. Also, I have some grapeseed oil. I have some chickpeas, peppers, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts. I have containers. I have zucchini and squash. I have a red onion. I have some vegan turkey sausage, and I have regular turkey sausage, watermelon, strawberries, peaches, and plums. First things first, I'm going to start off by washing my hands. Guys, gotta make sure I have those clean hands so I can prepare my food. Next, I'm cutting up some Brussels sprouts because I am going to set the Brussels sprouts in some water and let them soak so they can get all nice and clean. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the turkey sausage, and I had to wash my turkey sausage off. Guys, make sure whenever you buy just any kind of meat, just make sure you wash your meat. So now what I'm getting ready to do is cut up my squash and zucchini. And I'm also going to cut up some onions. Guys, comment down below if you like squash and zucchini. I also cut up some red bell peppers that I added to the squash and zucchini medley that I made. So now I am cutting up the plant-based sausage. And as you can see, I have my turkey sausage boiling and I have the plant-based sausage cooking. And the reason why I have my turkey sausage boiling is because I like to boil sausage to get some of the sodium out. So that's what you see me doing. I boil the sausage and then I'll rinse it off. And then what I'm going to do now is put the sausage in a pan and put it in the oven. During the hot summer months, fresh fruit salad is a great breakfast or lunch idea or snack idea. And you can basically take whatever fruit you like, cut them up and mix them together. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting up my fruit and mixing it together, and that is what we will have for breakfast and for lunch. So my chat partners, as you guys can see, I have 2 meals completed, which is the plant-based sausage and turkey sausage veggie bowls, which we will have for dinner for 2 days, and the fruit salad is done. So yeah, guys, I already have 2 meals down, 1 more to go. Okay, my chat partner. So now what I am doing is I am putting my grain bowl salad together. And the grain bowl salad consists of Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, peppers, chickpeas, and onions. And guys, you can make a grain bowl with whatever ingredients you want to make it with. Just use your imagination, get in the kitchen, and get to cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video of me making breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which includes fruit salad for breakfast, for lunch, grain bowl salad, and for dinner, plant-based sausage and turkey sausage veggie bowls. So guys, this meal prep is vegan friendly and non-vegan friendly. Thank you all for watching my video. If you are not subscribed to Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and become a chat partner. I wish you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.